That was fucking sketchy for a first day, wasn't it?
What was that?
Oh my
We're just hanging out on a 45-degree angle here.
So fun. Thank you. Do you?
3, 2, 1, go!
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So this weekend I have got so much cool stuff to share with you guys, but first things first, I will give you a little bit of an idea of where we're going, what we're doing for the weekend. So right now my car is not packed because I actually dropped everything off at Josh's house yesterday. So we are heading out to the Springs 4x4 park, which is located near Warwick, so a little bit more inland for Queensland, and we are going to be doing the annual JIMNY little club / not club event. But this is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be really cool to catch up with everyone. I think one of the best things about owning a Jimny is you just have an entire community behind you. So yes, I'm not taking my Jimny this weekend. She officially goes in for repairs first thing next week, so I wasn't going to push my luck. I just wanted to leave her be, let her go in for her repairs for next week. So yeah, Josh has offered to let me tag along, which is a lot of fun because he is effectively our little ringleader of the Jimny 4x4 crew. So he'll be doing a lot of potentially the harder tracks and I'll be tagging along, getting some footage. It's just going to be a really cool weekend. So I've got a fair few things that I need to do. I need to jump to the shops now, grab some coffee, and then we'll be on the road. So let me give you guys an update once I get back to Josh's. Alright guys, so we are officially on the way out to Springs. So I've got Josh here at the official cult leader of the Jimny group.
Cold dirty.
So one thing that I wanted to touch base with you guys, I did give you a little bit of a hint last week that I will be letting you in on a little secret that I have been holding out on for a couple of months. And it's good timing because Josh was probably one of the first people to know about this decision. So my Jimny, unfortunately, will be going up for sale after I get the repairs done. So this might actually be my very last Springs event because I think I'll be kicked out of the cult club.
Nah, you'll be right. You can still come on.
But yes, I made the decision in January this year, and unfortunately just with me hitting the kangaroo, that's just put a complete stop on me selling the Jimny. But yeah, get the repairs done, sell it, and then I'll be upgrading to something else. So I will definitely make the most of this weekend, enjoying all of the Jimny fun, and hopefully, I don't know, who knows, maybe one day in future I will buy another one. But either way, we've got potentially another, hour or 2 hours to get there?
Something like that, 2 hours.
And then all the fun will begin. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Once we arrived, we went straight over to main camp to set up for the weekend. After that, a few of us decided to hit up some tracks and we ended up over at Tread Hill. Now, it didn't take long for Josh to decide to go straight from 0 to 100 and hit up one of the hardest ones, which got us into a little bit of a pickle, but that's half the fun of it. How you feeling?
Oh yeah, no, good. We're just hanging out on a 45-degree angle here.
So fun, so
It's good.
fun.
It's all good.
Oh, that was fucking sketchy for a first day, wasn't it?
What was that?
Crikey, mate, did you see him go down the hill like that?
Day 2 kicked off with a briefing from Josh as we set out for the day on our guided drives. Now each group was split up into an option of easy, medium and hard, and that way everyone could give it a go regardless of what skill level they were at. Alright, so we're back in the car. We are hitting up some intermediate tracks today. Obviously Josh is on the driving today. We are going to go check out some new sections of the Springs Fall by 4 track, and then we're going to, where are we going? Gymkhana later on.
Yeah, later on. Yep.
Yes.
Still going to drive the hard stuff?
Yeah, of course. I'm driving your car, right?
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you! Do you No, we're working on time. We got this. So guys, the goal is to not spill the water. We are doing a freaking terrible job, but that's right. We can still get this on time. We finished up our day with our annual charity event, bonfire, and of course watching everyone head up Beer Clock. Now I should note here that due to the short wheelbase of the Jimneys, we are actually not allowed up this hill unless we have a roll cage. So instead we just decided to sit and watch everyone else give it a crack. Oh my god. Alright, we are officially at day 3 and we have honestly ticked off so much really cool stuff, but this morning we're going to head out to the playpen. Darren's going to be doing a little tutorial, and then from there I think we're going to do some drag races.
If I could bridle it again and go off my 2 recovery points, I will go for it.
doubled the power of that winch. So the winch is twice as slow because it's now got to pull everything through 2 lines. So there's less stress on the winch, there's less stress on the recovery points, everything else, because it's all spread out over, you know, multiple points. But the car and that car are about the same. This one's an anchor, and it's just going to drag that one to this one. So we need to make that car heavier. The best way to do that when you haven't got a tree, anchor it to another car. So that's what they're doing now. So safely anchor that car, and then you should be able to pull this one out.
All right, I think we're done with the spicy tracks potentially.
I hope so.
We're gonna go do the drags now, and then we're actually gonna pack up early and we're gonna head home. But first off, drag tracks for sure. I'm driving this time, right?
Yeah, go for it.
No, definitely not.
Yeah, I just went into low range again. I was high range last time.
3, 2, 1, go!
You went way faster that time. Yeah.
Morning guys, so yesterday I had every intention of doing a little closeout video, but unfortunately the time just completely slipped away from me. So after the drags, me and Josh went back to camp. We packed everything down, which we all know that job takes bloody forever, except for the cleaning part. That probably takes longer, but thanks to Josh I didn't have to deal with that part of it. So yeah, we packed down super late by the time we got home, but today I am about to go and drop my car off for repairs, which I am so excited for. I feel like there's just been so much riding on these repairs, so it's really cool to be able to not only share with you guys what I plan to do next to some extent, but yeah, obviously to actually put that into action now as well. So I don't know what the next couple of weeks are going to look like. I don't know when I'm going to bring out a video next, because I'm not going to have a car for a couple of weeks, and then who knows what's going to happen thereafter. So yeah, huge thank you guys for following along. I know this video was a little bit different to some of my usual videos, and I am a solo traveler for a reason. Being around so many people is exhausting. Like, I feel like I just hit a wall after the first day. So who knows how this video is going to come together, but as always guys, thank you so much, and huge shout out to Josh as well. He did such an epic job of organizing the Springs event alongside a few other really cool volunteers as well. So yeah, really cool to be part of that. So every year Josh actually picks a charity event to put all of our raffle money towards. So the whole Springs event is there for a good reason, and you know, we're having fun, but we're also putting money towards a really great cause, and this year it was nightlife. So yeah, huge shout out to Josh and to everyone else. It was so good to catch up with everyone. But for the rest of you guys, I will see you all in the next video, whenever that might be.